Hey guys, Mark here with Adventures in Ecom, and today I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing and how to find your market and how to do research on your market. Now, this is really this first meat and potatoes video in my series that I'm creating. Just last week, I did an overview video, kind of a table of contents to kind of talk about my 7, 8, 9 video series that I'm putting out to help you build a successful affiliate marketing business. Now, affiliate marketing does not come with overnight success. It's not a Staples easy button. You don't just spend $5 in 2 minutes and have $1 million affiliate marketing business. This takes some work, and I keep preaching and advocating that this does take some work. And I'm trying to break down this little series for you in a way that makes the most amount of sense to build and plan your successful affiliate marketing business. So watch it with me, learn, ask questions, leave comments down below. I'll take my time out and answer all of your questions, but I just want you to be a part of this. Now, before I continue, I want to let you know that I've been asked to, so I'm putting together an infographic on affiliate marketing, kind of like a 20-step, kind of like the one that I did a year ago. You can see here for how to launch a product on Amazon, but I'm doing it for affiliate marketing. So I should have that ready maybe in about 3 weeks time, give or take, but I'll let you know when it's available for instant and free download. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification so you'll be notified when I put out new videos. And I'll tell you when that free download is available. It'll be on my website. There will be no email needed or anything, just an instant download for you. So let's dive into this finding a market. And what does that really mean? Everybody hears these terms like, oh, I have to find a niche product. I have to find a niche. Yes and no, and yes, you need to find a niche. But I think that it is paramount to find a market first. If you're able to find a market, well, let's back up 1 second. What is a market? Market is really a group of people that have a bunch of similarities and ideally the same types of problems that you as an affiliate marketer will help to solve. And one of the things that you kind of is neat with this and you can keep in mind is sometimes this marketplace doesn't even know, this market of people doesn't even know that they have a problem. They don't know what they don't know. So it's a great opportunity for you to identify some commonalities within that market and then provide answers to questions that they either have or don't know they have. So, okay, Mark, how do you find a market? You're probably asking. And let me get off of this. This is Find Your Market. This is what we're doing. But I'm going to jump into a Google page, a good old Google search page. And I started to do a little bit of looking up, but I thought that camping or travel trailers or something along this line would be a really good niche market or a good market for us. And then we will niche down a little bit from there. I just got our travel trailer out of the storage for the summer so that we can go on our summer whirlwind travel trailer extravaganza with the kids and go fishing and all that good stuff. So if we start to look and do a search for something like camping, what we want to start to do is we want to start broad and zero in on some specific things. So I'm just going to look initially at the search volume and 1.4 billion search results for camping. That's pretty high. That's a lot. The monthly volume for camping, according to Keywords Everywhere, is 3,300 a month. Take that with a little grain of salt. They do return results from Google's search API, but take it with a grain of salt. But you can see over here related keywords. This, by the way, is just a free plugin that I have. You can go and get it. It's Keywords Everywhere. It'll plug into your Chrome or your Firefox, etc., and start to give you some good results. But you can see that people are searching for camping tents, 110,000, camping gear, 60,000, camping checklist, 27,000, camping essentials, 22,000. So there are a lot of searches that happen every single month with very specific things. People that are looking for tents or gear, which is a little more broad, or a checklist. These are all very specific items. So you know that there's a market of people that is out there that are looking to answer their question of how do I go camping? Maybe it's my first time. I need a checklist. I need the right gear, etc., etc. So let's jump into Google Trends and do a search over here. And we'll do a search for camping. And it doesn't surprise me that it lulls in the winter time months, but it is very high here coming out of the tail end of the summer and then leading up into that. If I go over the last 5 years, it's obviously what I expected, that this is going to be a very seasonal approach. It looks like I'm surfing along the waves right here, but 82, here's 100, I think, 89. It's up here touching 100. This is at 100. So there's a lot of interest as of the last several years on camping, and you can get a lot of information and get a lot of ideas about your market by going to Google Trends. You can do some comparison searches, etc. And I'll let you play around with Google Trends, but this really just tells you that you're on the right path, you're on the right track, and we could start to get a lot more kind of narrowed down from here. But I want to jump over, so this isn't a super long video, I want to jump over to a few other tools that I use that help me answer those questions. And then by defining a market of people, I can always go and find an affiliate program to fit into that market and solve those problems. So if I come over here to Facebook, we're going to come over to Facebook and I'm going to do a quick search for camping. And we'll look at a few, I'm just looking at some pages. Here's I Love Camping. We can jump into I Love Camping. And I did a video, my very last video I just did was on Facebook ads. And there's something about spying on your competitors' ads and things that I'll kind of go into here, because we can also use it for research. But I'll put a link in the cards to that Facebook ad video. But if you come down on a Facebook page and it says page transparency, what that means is, more times than not, means quite a few things. But one of the things it means is, if we click see more, is if they're running ads, there'll be a link to it right here to the ad library for all of the active ads that they're running. So if I click into here and I start to look at this, here are all the ads, and they're running ads. Looks like these are leggings, and here's a t-shirt, more t-shirts and things, wifey and hubby, this has to do with camping and fishing, etc. And here's more ads. So they've been running these ads for quite a while, and I'll tell you what it means when people have been running ads for a while. It means, well, it either means that they have no idea what they're doing and they have plenty of money and they're just wasting it, or what it means is that they're actually making money. They're making money by running these ads, and it's working. So again, the marketplace is there, and these are people that like to buy t-shirts and apparel and things of that nature that go along with their travel trailer. So you can really use Facebook, obviously, for doing your market research to make sure, see what kind of products your market is buying. You can also come back in here. I'll just back out of this, and you can do the same thing. I just went into one page. I'm just going to go into one page and kind of show you as an example. I'm actually going to go into this one too. It's a neat little trailer. It's kind of like a trailer that I have. But these people are not running ads. This is a group, but you can come into these groups as well and start to read. You just ask to apply to the group, join the group, and read the questions and the comments, and look at the repetitive nature of a lot of the comments or questions and comments, and see what types of things are being asked. See what kind of questions. You really want to have a spreadsheet available so that you can put all of these things down, links to the pages or the forums, the types of questions that are being asked, the products that you're finding in these advertisements and things like that. And these are all going to give you clues as to what your market wants. Listen to your market. Don't dictate to your market. Listen to your market, and you'll have so much more success. Another place that we can go is to go to YouTube. And here I've done camping recreation. Here Here's you can hit the drop down and see YouTube's autocomplete, and really it's going to come up with things that people are out there searching for. So camping, I could do something along the lines of travel trailers. Travel trailers under 5,000 pounds. You can start to see travel trailers for sale, 49,000. So you can get a lot of ideas from this. Again, I won't waste your time by doing all these different searches, but I know that from some of these other keywords, camping tents, camping gear, camping checklist, etc. Let's see, camping checklist. So here's camping checklist, camping list, here's camping checklist. And you can come through here and see how many views these have had. If you filter this by the view count, you can really get a good idea of what it is people are looking for. Kids camping checklist. There's a really niche down type of thing that you could go for. Here's 258. There's 250,000 views on basic supplies. So you can start to kind of get the idea here. What you're trying to do is define your market and make sure that they have a want and a need and something that you can satisfy and fill. Here's another place you can go to is Quora and do a search on camping and see what kinds of things come up. This is a great place to go because in Quora, people are literally, all they're doing is asking questions. So what is essential camping gear? What's some of the coolest camping gadgets? Here's camping hacks. What do I need for camping? Blah, blah, blah. Do you like camping? But you can go through all of this and see. Here's camping gadgets. So, gadgets are a great thing. I tell you, as a camper, it's one of the things I love the most are the little gadgets, the little butane burner or the little hatchet or whatever it is. So camping gadgets really work. I want to go to one more place and show you, but if I do something as simple as say camping forums, I can come over here and here's a bunch of camping forums. Here's tent camping. I don't want tent camping, but you get the idea. I can click into any of them and read it. But here are just a whole list of topics that people are going to be talking in, asking questions about, etc., etc. You know what a forum is. But go through and read all of the messages in a forum or do a search in the forum for your sub-niche, like kids camping checklist or something along those lines. When you're able to get in the head of your market, it's going to be so much easier for you to then go and get a product to satisfy that marketplace instead of getting a product and then hunting down the right market. One other thing, well, a couple other things. So that has to do with finding questions and answering questions and understanding, getting into the mind of your marketplace. But if we come over here and come to affiliate marketing, I'm in Clickbank as an example. If I just come up here and type in camping, we can see what products. So here's Keto Camp. It's probably a diet camp. Coast Guard Boot Camp Survival Guide. It's not applicable right now or not available. Kettlebell games. Here's Tactical Flashlight Camping Survival and Outdoor Gear. Cool. So here's a Clickbank product that you could supply to people. Here's a bunch of NAs. Freight broker products. I don't know. 30-day crash course. So anyways, you can see what I'm saying. This is just one place. Clickbank is just one place to find affiliate products to satisfy your market. Another thing that you could do, I know here near me, we have a Camping World. So, and Camping World is a place you can buy travel trailers and products and all kinds of stuff. So if I just went Camping World affiliate program, here's affiliate program, Camping World right here. So Camping World has, hit the back button. Camping World has an affiliate program. You could also sign up for Amazon affiliates if you're looking for more physical products. This would be a physical product at Camping World. I like digital products for affiliate products. We'll get into products and things like that in a few later programs, but usually physical products have on the lower end of the commission scale because they're physical products and they carry all kinds of hard costs, obviously. But digital products like survival guides or camping guides or campground, this, that, and the other, all these tips and tricks and checklists and things, all of these kinds of downloads through affiliate programs will have much higher commission to you, maybe 60-70% to you. the affiliate, which is great, right? So I'm kind of future pacing myself on talking about that, but getting into the mindset of your market and finding your market and answering these questions, it's going to pay off in spades as you work yourself through this series with me. So as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you found some value in it, and subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified basically when I put out new videos, but also so that you'll know when to get the infographic when it's available in a few weeks' time. So we'll see you on the next video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future videos, and don't forget to like this video. Now watch that video next. Go ahead, watch that video.